how much should you actually spend on food dehydrating guides? Because some are priced low, but others are surprisingly high. It's interesting to see that price doesn't always mean quality.
Product number 1, The Beginner's Guide to Dehydrating Food. The Beginner's Guide to Dehydrating Food by Teresa Maroney caught my eye right away, especially with its straightforward approach for just $10.79. If you want to get a solid foundation in dehydrating your favorite foods, this is worth a serious look. This guide is packed with tips on preserving everything from fruits to meats, ensuring you won't waste any food. It's a great starter resource, especially if you're feeling overwhelmed by all the options out there. The simplicity of the instructions means you can jump right in without feeling lost. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You'll learn the best techniques to keep your food flavorful and nutritious while saving money. Now, some people mention that the book could use more visuals, which I can see as a downside. But here's the thing. If you're serious about dehydrating, the clear instructions more than make up for it. This is perfect for you if you're just starting your dehydrating journey and want to understand the basics. Skip this one if you're looking for something fancy or advanced. For the price, it's a solid investment in your kitchen skills. Now, if that book's focus on basics wasn't enough for you, the next one takes a deeper dive into recipes.
Product number 2, Dehydrating Food, A Beginner's Guide by Jay and Shirley Bills is another great option, priced at $12.95. If you want clear, actionable steps to get started, this is worth a serious look. This book highlights practical tips for dehydrating a wide variety of foods, which is great if you're not sure where to start. It covers everything from fruits to jerky, making it a handy reference. What's cool is that the authors share troubleshooting tips that can save you from common mistakes. Here's why this matters for you. Understanding these pitfalls means fewer spoiled batches and more successful outcomes. On the downside, some readers felt it was a bit basic and lacking in advanced techniques. But honestly, if you're just starting out, that simplicity is exactly what you need. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward guide that builds your confidence in dehydrating. Skip this one if you're already experienced and looking for more complex methods. For the investment, it delivers solid value. All right, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for expanding your recipe collection.
Product number 3, Complete Dehydrator Cookbook. The Complete Dehydrator Cookbook by Carol Kanzler, priced at $10.72, really caught my attention. If you want a comprehensive guide filled with recipes, this is worth a serious look. It dives into over 75 different foods, showing you how to dehydrate them while maintaining great flavors. What stands out is the variety of recipes, including snacks like fruit leathers and jerky, catering to different tastes. Here's why this matters for you. Having diverse recipes means you can keep things interesting and satisfy different cravings, making your dehydrating journey fun. Some folks mention that it can be overwhelming with so many options, but look, if you want to experiment and explore, that variety is a treasure. This is perfect for you if you love cooking and want to try new dehydrated snacks. Skip this one if you just want a basic guide without the extra recipes. For the price, it offers a wealth of ideas. Now, if the cookbook approach felt a bit too packed for you, the next product simplifies things. Product number 4, The Essential Dehydrator Cookbook for Beginners. The Essential Dehydrator Cookbook for Beginners by Stacy Richardson at $16.75 is another standout. If you're looking for a step-by-step guide that walks you through the process, this is worth a serious look. It covers over 170 foods, which means you won't run out of ideas anytime soon. The structured format helps you follow along easily, especially if you're new to dehydrating. Here's when this matters. Having detailed instructions means you're less likely to make mistakes, and you'll feel more secure in your dehydrating skills. However, some users noted that the price is a bit higher than other beginner guides. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're committed to learning and want a thorough resource, the investment might be worth it. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a structured approach to learning. Skip this one if you want something cheaper or more casual. For what it offers, the value is good. Now, if you're still searching for a budget-friendly option, the last product might just be what you need.
Product number 5, Food Dehydrating Made Simple. Food Dehydrating Made Simple by Arden F. Virello is a Kindle edition available for free. If you want a no-cost way to start learning, this is worth a serious look. It breaks down the basics of dehydrating fruits, vegetables, herbs, and meats in an easy-to-understand format. You don't have to spend a dime to get quality information, which is pretty amazing. Here's why this matters.
Starting for free allows you to explore the world of dehydrating without any financial risk. Some readers mention that it lacks depth compared to paid guides. But here's the thing, if you're just dipping your toes in, this is perfect for getting started. This is perfect for you if you're curious and want to try before committing financially. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced techniques or a wide range of recipes. For a free resource, it's a fantastic way to kick off your dehydrating journey. To wrap it up, we've covered a range of food dehydrating guides, from basic how-tos to comprehensive cookbooks. Whether you're just starting with the beginner's guide or diving into the complete dehydrator cookbook, each option has its unique strengths. Remember, it all comes down to what fits your style and needs best. Happy dehydrating!